If you're still waiting for that perfect moment in time to buy Bitcoin, you've already missed it. Bitcoin isn't about timing the market. It's about getting out of the system that is guaranteed to fail. And the longer you wait to make the switch, the more exposure you're getting to the failing system and the more you're getting left behind. Bitcoin's not just about getting rich. Of course, that's a byproduct that we're all big fans of. It's about not getting left behind in a broken system designed for you to lose. Bitcoin is escaping into a system where the everyday person, every single one of us, is guaranteed to win. We're here at the Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas, and the energy is fantastic. Everyone here is on the same mission, and it's to escape the broken system and to be a part of something new. Bitcoin's not about buying low, selling high. It's about not going down with the sinking ship that is the US dollar. And other countries are even worse than that. Most people are still treating Bitcoin like it's some scary speculative stock that people are just gambling on. But guys, it has went only up into the right. I believe we just passed Amazon by market cap. That's insane, guys. I don't know anyone that is scared to invest in Amazon when Bitcoin is now outperforming and growing past Amazon. That is absolutely amazing, guys. This is a win for everyone in the Bitcoin community. It's not a trade. It's not a quick flip. It's literally a lifeboat to escape a broken system. Escape the matrix. The dollar's backed by trust, guys. We're still hitting all-time highs in debt in this country. And that is bad for the US dollar. We're just inflating away the dollar to pay off our debts, to make our debt worth less, right? But that's good for Bitcoin because it means we are just going to continue to go up and to the right for the rest of time. As long as money is being printed across the US, even all these other countries, that is good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the escape. It's bad for the US dollar to be printing nonstop, but they're not going to stop. They have to. We have too much debt. We've hit the point of no return. But what does that mean for Bitcoin? That means Bitcoin is going to do nothing but go up into the right, which means you need to get exposed. There's a moment that most Bitcoiners have and people in crypto when they might still check their bags, but they stop checking Bitcoin. They're not really worried about the day-to-day price because you realize that you're not holding Bitcoin to get rich. You're not going to turn $100 into $1 million overnight. That's the meme coins, the gambling side of crypto. You're holding Bitcoin because it's truly the only thing that's not rigged against you. It is the purest form of money we've had, as far as I know, in the history of time. The US just prints more dollars, even gold. We find more gold. We literally mine and find more gold. Bitcoin, there's a fixed supply, 21 million. Gold increases its supply, where Bitcoin will not. Bitcoin will forever have a 21 million Bitcoin supply. That is the purest form, most finite form of money we've ever had. And the moment you realize that, the moment you realize you are holding the purest form of money that there's ever been, you're set free. You're so set free. You're not worried anymore. You know the escape boat. You know the path to take, and you just commit to the mission. And if you trust and have faith in Bitcoin, it'll pay off. I promise you, it has for everyone that's gotten involved. Everyone that's gotten involved for more than a short term, like 3 or 4 weeks, it has been here for a year, 6 months, even just a couple months, buying the dip at 75K we just had. Everyone has been rewarded for their faithfulness to the most purest form of money we have ever had. So no, I'm not trading in and out of Bitcoin. I'm not trying to get cute and sell the tops all the time. When we have big dips, I'm going in big, however. And sometimes I do scrape a little bit and rotate in alts like ETH, Solana, and then back into Bitcoin. Because I'm holding the one asset that needs permission. Because I'm holding the one asset that needs permission from no one. There's no inflation with it. And it doesn't care who's president, who's in power, what country you're in, what time of day it is, if it's a holiday, whether you can trade it or not. It does not care. If you don't have any Bitcoin exposure yet, start today. Not to just try to get rich quick, make a bunch of money, but to set you free long-term and escape the broken system. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like this video for me if you want to see more content. If you're interested in joining our private community, we have over 100 members inside, guys. Teach you how to get involved in crypto, monetize the assets you already own, and build an income through crypto outside of the matrix, outside of the real world. Monetize your assets on the blockchain. Guys, see you in the next video.